Hello, my peeps, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast. Making progress. Let me know if I can hook you up with some delicious cookies. Your MSAs for today. Thank you for all the hits. Keep it up. Alrighty, today's podcast is going to be on lesson 8.2 again, and this will be part 2, dos. We are still working with exponents, more specific exponents with division. So please write the expression on your paper: 15d to the negative 2 f cubed fraction bar parentheses df to the 5th parentheses 2. Now it could be a really mean teacher and say, just deal with it. But I will be kind and loving and explain to you how to do the problem so you can be successful on the EOC. I'm going to start with the bottom of the problem since it has the parentheses. So I put in an invisible exponent of 1, and I'm going to say a power to a power. When I have a power to a power, I multiply. So I have d to the first times 2. That's going to give me d squared, or d to the second power. I'm done using the d, or d to the first power, so I'm just going to cross it out. Goodbye. Now I'm going to do f to the 5th power raised to the 2nd power. To find a power to a power, multiply the exponents. 5 times 2 is going to give me 10, so that gives me f to the 10th power. Now I'm going to rewrite the bottom of the equation with our answers. So we had an answer of d to the 2nd power, and we had an answer of f to the 10th power. We're moving right along. So this is what my problem looks like now. Please write down your spiral. We do not want any negative exponents. No negative exponents. So check it out. We have a negative exponent. That's like this grumpy old man. And why is he so grumpy? Because you are making that old man who's worked hard his entire life and now just wants to retire and enjoy his end years. You are making him walk up these stairs every single day. And you'd be grumpy too if you were old and had to walk up all those stairs. So we say negative exponents on the top floor go to the bottom floor. Negative exponents on the top floor go to the bottom floor. So we are going to take the d to the negative 2 and we're going to move it down here to the bottom floor. So it's now gone up here, so I'm going to cross it out. And now that the old man doesn't have to go up and down the stairs, he is no longer grumpy. In fact, he's quite happy. Negative exponents on the top go to the bottom, and negative exponents on the bottom go to the top. Make the grumpy man happy. Who knows, when you make him happy, he just might give you a nice. Now our problem looks like this. Notice that I have a D and a D. That is the same base. So if you have the same base on the same floor, you add the exponents. So this is kind of like a heart and a heart. If they're on the same floor, add the exponents. Now you might be thinking, can I add the F with the D?
What?
No, you cannot add the F with the D because it is not the same base. Same floor, I'm going to add my exponents. So I'm going to add 2 and 2. That gives me D to the 4th. Now I'm going to rewrite my problem. So here's my problem. I have 15f to the 3 over d to the 4th f to the 10th. Now, notice I have an f on the top floor and an f on the bottom floor. If I have different floors, subtract the exponents. Same base, both f, but they're on different floors. So I subtract the exponents. So I'm going to do f3 minus 10. When I do f3 minus 10, that gives me f to the negative 7. Remember earlier we said you cannot have negative exponents. We have a negative exponent. And now we have a grumpy old man. So what do? We take that f to the negative 7 and we are going to move it down to the bottom. Now the grumpy old man is happy because he doesn't have to go up the stairs anymore. See, I told you he was happy. Notice this is a base D and a base of F. I cannot combine them. They are not like bases. Kind of like not like terms.
Wow!
Do you think you have a better understanding of how to simplify these problems?
Yes!
And I bet you understand how to do them so well that you are ready to yodel.
Yolo, hee hee. Yolo, lolo, lolo, hee hee.
Remember, no negative exponents. Different floors, subtract the exponents. Same floors, add the exponents.
Wow!
And when you have mastered these, you will say,
Woo-hoo! Yee-haw!
later. Thanks for watching.